In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start from zero and grow your way up to earning 1 Bitcoin per day. I'm actually in the process of doing this method myself, so now you're going to see results from me, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy in order to get started today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So we're going to be using this website for this method that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you the whole process, something that you're actually going to really enjoy if you understand it, and you can get started for free by clicking the link down below in the description of this video. So first off, once you have signed up, or if you already have an account, make sure to come over here and I'm going to show you how you can get started for free, guys, and I'm going to show you why this is actually working and how you can actually work your way up to 1 Bitcoin per day, or even like $100 per day. So watch this. First, we're just going to start to grow our account slowly but surely if you're starting off for free, and I'm going to show you a paid method if you have just a couple of satoshis or a couple of dollars in Bitcoin. So let me show you all of this. So let's just do this real quick. So let me click on all the boats to get this captcha out of the way so I can show you how this method is going to work out. So this is just showing you that you can actually earn for free on this. You can actually claim these boxes that are right behind this one. So you can see all of these boxes that you can actually purchase. Now you just grow your account from zero. I would not recommend investing any money that you're not willing to lose. So if you just come over here and get started for free, guys, all you have to do is just click on these boxes. I would say 10 minutes to actually claim this. So you can get a daily profit of 72 satoshis a day for just using this one alone. You can also save enough crypto to get some of these packages right here that are going to give you daily interest for doing nothing. So watch, let's just click on withdraw, and we can do this every single day, guys, until it reaches the limits for that package or for that box. So let me show you all of this right now that you can actually make passively for free. Now you can see my Satoshi balance is not that great right now because this method will involve you losing most of your coins, and there's two perspectives in websites like this, and the one perspective mostly, like most of the people use, is gambling. That is not a good perspective in crypto. You should not gamble all of your money in one platform, or you shouldn't just gamble period, because you're risking losing all of your crypto. But this method is vice versa, guys. So I'm going to show you something really interesting. You just have to bear with me while I show you all of these steps. So we have referrals, you have promos, and there's different ways, but we don't even need referrals for this method. Watch this. So let's say we already have a couple thousand satoshi, like $2-3. Or I'll show you my deposits. Watch this. Let me click on this notification. I've deposited around 0.0019 BTC right there. You can see how much I withdrew from this platform. So if we scroll down, look, this is the process. This is what you can do whenever you actually use this method to your advantage. Let me keep scrolling down real quick so I can show you my latest withdrawals. So you can see this right here, guys. Just yesterday I've withdrawn 0.0055 BTC right there. So we just searched that up on Google real quick, BTC to USD. You can see how much it is right here in USD value, $104, and I only deposited 0.002. So I only deposited 0.002. So let's do that real quick, and that was $38 right there. But I just deposited that after I withdrew this money, and this is the method. Now all this is pure profit from this point forward. And now, as you see, payment proof right here that I've gotten withdrawn, and I'm actually making money from this passively. Let me show you all of that I am doing right now. I'm still on the no voice plan right here, guys. So watch this. First off, we're saving some satoshis, however much, 1,000, 2,000, preferably 100,000 satoshis, which is around 0.001. So that's 0.001, replacing that 5 with the 1. That is preferred to get started with this, and I'm going to show you that. So the first thing is staking. Now this is the whole method right here that's going to evolve. Now don't worry about strategies on Dice Game, don't worry about strategies on Crush and all those other games, like all games like Plinko, Dice, Craft. All of these are just pointless. I would just use them to actually mine the coin itself. So mining the this coin right here, BFG BTC, and this one BFG TRX. So the reason being is because the more of these you have, the more dividends you'll get every day. Now listen to that. So the more you actually, in order to get these, you have to play the games. I used to use the dice game a lot, but I'm starting to use Plinko more, and I actually bid on Plinko more now than I do on dice, and I just let this run all night until my account gets used up all the way, so I can start to stake more coins. Because this is the whole game right here, guys. You're investing some money or you're getting started for free, but you're putting it back inside of the website, and then you're going to get paid out dividends from people as well. So whenever you get, the more tokens you get, the more dividends you earn. So you can see that in one day I'm going to be getting around 3,762 satoshis every single day. Now we have to grow this account. My goal in this is growing this as to like $100 a day or $200 a day, but I need to keep investing money, not inside of the platform, but like either using their money or getting started with a little bit and then just waiting. Like today, once I get paid out in about 9 hours, then I'm going to use that money to start to stake it again and starting to bet on Plinko, so I can grow this all the way up to like $1, $2 a day, because right now I believe it's at 87 cents. But watch, you might be like, that's not really a good return, but I'm going to show you this all right now, guys. Watch this, BTC to USD. So here it is, 70 cents. So I'm getting 70 cents, almost $1 a day from this platform. So that means I spent 20, I'm getting $1, almost $1 a day. So that means in a month, so let's click on month, I'm gonna get 0.001 BTC. So that's already half of my money back in 1 month. And then on top of that, if I wait 1 more month, then I'm back in profit, or I'm back in my return on investments, ROI. And then from that point forward, it's going to be profit again. So that is a cool strategy. And this is not the only way to do this, guys. Watch this. We have cashbacks. You can come over here to my cashback and get paid out every 3 days from whatever you spend on the platform. So right now I only get 2% cashback, and I'm about to show you something, a different way to earn even more on this website. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So we're gonna get cashback on here. You can see that I haven't done this in a long time, but since I spent around $20-30 just yesterday, then I'm gonna actually get a really decent return on my investment, I guess, or 2% of that back to me. So I have to come in about 1 day and actually withdraw it. If I don't, then the funds will be lost because it's gonna say expired. So that is another way to earn on this. Now the goal on this as well is to come over here to the bonuses, go to rank system, and then within the rank system to grow this as quickly as possible. You see I'm still at the beginning, guys. So if I get over here, that's wagering 0.1 BTC, then I'm gonna get 4% cash back instead of 2. Now if I do that and wager or play up to 1 BTC, then I'm gonna get 6% cash back. So on and so forth, guys. It's just going to keep growing and growing. 4 BTC, 8% cash back, 20 BTC, 10% cash back, and just keep growing as much as you can to get the rewards. Don't use this platform for the actual games and try to grow your balance. Use it for the staking and mine the tokens, and then grow this balance, and then you can start to withdraw every single day. I already withdrew once, 3 times from this website, pure profit, guys. So this is the strategy that can actually earn you up to 1 Bitcoin a day if you stay consistent on this and come in every single day and get these free boxes, so you can actually start to make some passive income with this website and get up to 1 Bitcoin a day until this website disappears. So make sure, guys, this is a risky platform, so stick with wallet management as well. So don't have all of your money inside of this platform. Just put what you're willing to lose, withdraw as quickly as you can to get back to your ROI, and then from that point forward, it's up to you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.